Hmm. Yes, the stream has started. Start Twitch 2. Let's just check. Alright, it's working. Yeah, let's go to Twitch and check. Mm, okay. Let's go to my Twitch channel. And, yeah, let's just copy the title. Um, just give me a moment, please, guys. Yeah. Alright, so we are going to start in GODOT. Yeah. So currently I'm in the process of using some placeholder assets from some sprites from websites like OpenGameArt or itch.io. I'm actually looking for, sorry, yeah. So I'm actually looking forward to make a character inspired uh, for my Mother 3 inspired game. Mother 3, that RPG was like released on GBA. Yeah. So this is the game. Let me just something like that. I mean, I won't be able to capture the art style for just now because my artist is not just ready for this. But but for now, what I can do is I can get some tile sets or and some character sprites. So let's see how far I go with this screen. And without further ado, let's begin. So let's, or I can always just go ahead and find some sprites ripped straight from by people. Of course, I won't use them for in the final game. Or just I will just go ahead and go for open game art. And 2D sprites, characters. Yeah, orthogonal. Yes, these will be fine. The same good. And let's check these guys. So as far as I have seen, Mother 3 doesn't have a hack and slash type game. So yep, let's download it. See, do I have to remove the background? Yeah. So no. If you have some other recommendations for websites, please just do let me know. 16 by any. Mm, 24 by 32. Let's see if it does the work. The backgrounds need to be removed. Is this beyond me? Let's try a child. Hmm. Top down filter. Okay, let's try this back. Uh, let's download it. See if it meets the requirement. Uh, yep, I won't be using the attacking ones, just the walking and running ones. Skeleton, a bit sequence premium version. No matter. I just need a couple of these. This will do the work. Oh, I just forgot to see if there were tile sets. Yep, tile sets are there. And also there are floors, wooden floor, flooring, and let's try finding some more. I need a tile set, so let's go for a tile set. If there's 16 by 16, I guess not. I think this would work. Yep.
still feel out of place, but if it gets its work done, it's more than good. Let's just download the latest one. Is there a way I can check the chats? Okay, let's just go to YouTube.
Okay, this works now. Weird. Yep, just ignore that I'm updating my kitchen effect as well. Sprites. This is file manager. Okay, back to GODOT. Okay, sprites. What was the one that I downloaded? Um, I'm just curious if it works the way I want. Let's just reduce the size of it. Okay, no, not necessary. Cancel. Start again. this is going to be pain. Let's try. Right. The top one is for idle. Let's select the ones that we want. So that's experience. Just observe. Yep. Okay. The pivoting has issues. Uh, fine. Best. It was idle down. Now idle left. I can just flip it. Yeah. Idle right. Mm, okay. Let's just have it ready and this we'll check it later. What I was saying is that let's check it later, um, and then we fix it using the flips scripting. So scripting idle up. So okay, now walk. Seems good. New animation. Walk. Right. Walk down was done. Now walk up. Walk up. Right. Seems okay. Let's try. Make it 10. Fantastic. Now we are just adjust the collision shape back to 0. Okay, not 0. I don't know if it's a bad idea the way I'm doing, but let's just adjust it a bit. Let's make it like this. Hmm. Okay. Um, let's just if I am using physics or not. Let's go and check. Let me just adjust my laptop. Mm, Um, yeah. So So it's working as intended now. Okay. Um, I was going for scripting. Let's just make another folder. Okay. Now the things that I require would be uh, process, ready, pass, process. Yep. All right. So the other thing that would be GODOT, because Mother 3 has diagonal movements as well. So we'll be doing that. First, we need to add some bindings for the player. So let's just go ahead and do this. I'm more of a fan because I have played games on an emulator when I was a kid. I never actually owned a DS myself, but there was a friend that knows his stuff, and he always provided me his provided me some games that I could play, and that's how I got into Nintendo, Nintendo games. But then I came across emulation, and emulation was something that I used to do most of the time, and I played games mostly on my keyboard using the arrow keys. So let's just go ahead and do that. Let's okay. So let's make it move up, up, move down, move left, move right. Um, let's add keyboard keys. Up. I tend to forget because I'm still very much used to Unity. Okay. Now for movements, let's just do this. I go for physics-based movements in 2D games, or just modify the translate in vector movement? Physics or based movements. Yeah, for the sake of, because if we want to have collisions, so we need to go for physics 2D movements. Yeah. So let's just go ahead and just try that. Okay. So mhm. uh, W A S D, W right, W left, S right, S left. Yep. So let's start. First of all, I need to have a movement speed, and let's make it 200 for now. And unexpected identifier. Okay, so I need to specify this. Yep, adjust it. So first, we need to have variable import direction, and that's gonna be import direction, import dot get vector, get vector. Start with left, move left, move right, move up, and move down. Now velocity equals import direction dot speed. Should I add delta? Okay, let's just add delta, otherwise we're too fast. I mean, it's not possible, or is it? Hmm. Mm, okay, sorry. So that was movement speed. Sorry about the background noises. Let's see if it works. No main scene has been defined. Select current. Oh, sorry. So just a moment. Yeah. So my scene was to be that scene. Main scene is to be this one, and let's just adjust, make some changes. First, 30, no tile map. Now, let's just add there and a camera. Where's the anchor mode is? Right. Okay, I guess it will do the thing. Okay, the character is not moving yet. And let's just change the offset to a bit. zoom it a bit. Let's just zoom it a bit. Let's make it 5, and then let's see what really is going on. Okay, so apparently that's not how we're supposed the movement is done. Input a get vector, move left. I just need to check out my bindings first. Input map, move up, move left, move down. Hmm. There has to be some issue. I need to check it out first. Get vector. Mm-hmm. I think delta is the main culprit. Assist. Okay, still not moving. Mm. But let's see how it works. Oh, okay. So I'm supposed to add a node, and let's see, body. Oh, okay. I forgot. I, yep. And now consider adding a collision shape 2D or collision polygon as a child to define its shape. Um, so just saying that. So let's start. I will just turn off my camera. Yeah. So right. Let's try physics process then. I'm just experimenting and exploring GODOT. I have really have no experience at all. Okay, so there's still a warning going on. Delete this again. Yep, still not working. Okay, there's a warning.
watching a video that basically tells me how to do that, what I want. Hmm. Velocity dot x dot y. Okay, so let's see what it does. Yep. Okay. So it's not making any sort of changes whatsoever, and I need to understand why it's that. Okay, I'm familiar with input that is action. Is that? Yep. Is action pressed? Move down. And then let's try this velocity of y plus minus movement speed. Oh, let's do the other four as well. Yeah, move up. Let's make it plus. Move left. Make it dot x. Dot y. Dot x. Sorry, and make it this. Right. Let's do it again and see for. Okay. Let's make a variable vector2 vector. We lost um, vector2. Mm, I don't need to now. Why isn't this working? Let's try another thing. And let's character direction. It should work now.
So some guy on YouTube has done it like this. Let's just go ahead and do do the exact same what they are doing. Let's input data get access. First, I need to check whether I am getting that input or not. So move right, print character direction. Okay, it's working. Now let's get the same. This duplicate does not exist in GODOT, like in which GDScript or there or whatever the inbuilt editor of GODOT is. Move down, move up, and move down. Let's make it right. If character direction velocity equals character direction multiplied by movement speed. Okay, and else we make it 0. Velocity multiplied by velocity to move toward vector vector 2 dot 0 movement speed. Okay, let's and then movement slide. Oh, I forgot movement slide. Yes, 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 yes. I think there's slide issue. Yep, indentation issues. I can adjust them and voila, move and slide. Let's go ahead. Oh, yay! We did it. Okay, so the directions are reversed, and I need to see why. So let's check the bindings first. Up, down. Input the get access. Yep, I reversed them. Ah, yeah, apparently Godot, I remember Godot has negative x, negative y up upwards and not downwards. So, yep. Okay. Now, let's again reduce the speed by a bit because it's way too fast. It's still way too fast for me. And, okay. Um, no, let's go with 50, 50, 75. Okay, wait a sec. Why the hell I am not using this one and I'm using this one? Yep, perfect. Now for the animations, I would like to do is by default the character will be facing right. Then when I press left, then it's going to change the direction to flip the sprite to left. But first I need to get them animations to work. If it's idle, then it plays the idle. If it's walking, it plays the walking animation. So by all means, let's go ahead and yep, let's start with this. If let's get the animated sprite. Okay, shift. Oh, okay. Let's just on ready var animated sprite equals this. Yeah. Um, Now first I need to make that make sure that idle works. So if animated sprite dot animation, that's how it is. Yes. All right. Is not equal to idle. Idle. Then animated sprite dot animation equals idle. Oh yes. First, let's make sure it's autoplay. Every Yep. Okay. There's an error. Animation idle does not exist. Oh yeah. Idle down. I mean, for the sake of, I just want to check first that the animations work or not. Then you can change the. Yep, they are working. Now you can see the issue, and I now have to make sure if they are facing right, then the idle right should play. If left, then it should flip, and vice versa. And all. Let's just go ahead and try that. Hmm, mhm. Okay, first let's do the flip. And the flip is done like this. We use the flags in the character body. Um, Flip H and flip V. That I was trying to do it first. Okay, sorry. In the animated body, yes, sorry. Let's just go ahead and do that. If, oh, yep, here. Let's just do this here. If character, old habits die hard. It's greater than zero. Um, Velocity, sprite, animated sprite, sprite dot flip gauge equals false. False. Otherwise, it's elif character direction is dot x is less than 0. Animated sprite. Okay, there's a typo. Dot flip h equals true. Okay, there's still an issue, and I wonder why. Animated sprite. Oh, and the typo. Let's check. Okay, so it's not changing the animations just yet. And okay, if let's try the basic ones first for walking animation because I have not changing them. Mm, yeah. Uh, let's do it here. It would be much better, I believe. Animated sprite. Let's try animated sprite dot animation equals walk. Oh, what was the name of the animation? Walk right. Walk right. And here, let's make it walk left. Will this work? I don't know. Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay. Ow. What? What? Hmm. Do I have to add something like this? I. Oh, walk left does not exist. I just need to do this. That's why it's causing issues. You learn you learn at every single step, I believe. Yep. But as you can see, when I let go, it's facing downwards, right? So we need to modify some things here. Let's okay. If elif animated right no character direction is greater than x. Now, uh, should I do this here? Let's experiment. Mhm. Mm, okay. Uh, input get axis. No, no, no. If this is greater than 0, and animation is this. Yeah. I guess I can do this. Elif animated sprite remove that one, and let's expose animated sprite dot animation is equal walk right. Then we do this animated sprite equals dot animation equals idle right. I know it would be a pain to scream like this, but yeah, fantastic. Next, now let's make it this elif walk mm, down. Let's make it idle down, and then let's see. Okay. 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 I have not done anything for this. Yes. So now we are flipping it. This we need to walk down and it elif character direction dot y is less than 0. Oh, I can just do this. Save my time. Walk up. Yay! Okay. Um, let's fix it. Walk up. Then we could idle up. It's a bit mess, but I would refactor it at some point in. Okay. So now for let's I should I make it normalize one or not? Let's see. Okay, so yes, we should equals director direction dot normalize. Okay, it's sliding. I just don't want it to slide like that. I want to check the inputs. Um, stay away. Let's check. I think GODOT can tell us what the correct direction of the character is on real time. Okay, it doesn't. The inspector needs a lot of work. I hope you're seeing this, GODOT team. No, no, sorry. I'm really, really proud of your achievements. It's a remarkable achievement for an open source project to be basically receiving this kind of fame and boom, yeah. So I'm really, really happy for the open source side these days. do this everywhere. Let's just do this everywhere for the sake of it. This is extremely bad practice from the side. Uh, oh, yeah, I should have just uh, did this. Let's collapse it. So it's zero point 0.7, 0.7. Okay. Hmm. Or character direction dot x is greater than zero point 0.7. Oh, okay. X. No. Let's make greater than 0.5 and less than minus 0.5. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Mm, there has to be separate condition for these. So this is not a good way to tackle these things. Um, yeah. F character direction dot x is greater than 0.5 and character direction dot x is greater than this. Now what will happen? Mixed use of tabs and spaces. Where? Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, okay. It's going to be annoying. If character direction is greater than 0.5, pass. Yep. Perimeters right. It's a bad idea to copy this code. I learned it the hard way now. work? I don't know. Okay. Yes. One. So let's see. Hmm. GODOT. Do I have to go for animation trees? It seems like it. Suggestions. Mm, okay, let's just and not pay attention for this for now. But mhm. Okay, so first of all, I need to make sure that it does not exceed that kind of things. Yeah, I need to restrict the background movement. Let's have ChatGPT help me. Mm, let's check. I don't know why ChatGPT does that. Yep, it's working as intended. Maybe I will have that movement, but I will check it out later. It's looking really, really nice, and after tinkering it with a bit, I am pretty much sure that I will be able to smooth it all. So in this stream, I managed to complete my character controller basic movement, and then uh, I will start with some basic enemy AI that basically chases you, and then a scene changes. So I will take my time over this, and then we'll see what how it goes. So thank you for joining me on this stream.